Ngifisa sikhulume ngokubaluleka kokunakekela imiqondo yethu. Umqondo ubalulekile ngendlela eyisimangaliso ey'mpilweni zethu, kumele siwunakekele, siwuvikele. Because umqondo une-subconscious mind ekwaziyo ukuthi izi-program-e because of ama-experiences wakho nezinto ozi-expose wena kuzona. I-subconscious mind iyathatha yona izi-program-e and then bese ikudlalela leyo nto kuze kube sengazuthi impilo yakho ugcina nawe usuyibhiliva, kanti wena uyu-expose kulawo ma-energies lawo, and then yona yasiyathatha yastora. Umqondo, izinto ey'ningi zidlala emqondweni kuze kuthiwa ama-mind games, because umqondo is powerful. Umqondo powerful ngale ndlela yokuthi uyayiqala into incane igcine isimanifesta phambili kwakho. Yonke into oyicabangayo uma ukhumbula kahle igcina seyenzeka, because that's how powerful the mind is. Cabanga uma ilanga lishisa komile ufuna ukuphuza something and then ucabange emqondweni wakho ukuthi ngomiwe, I need ukuphuza ijuice emnandi econsayo, enama-ice, this and that. The moment waba naleyo image in your mind, umzimba wakho uyayifuna leyo nto, and then you go and you reach out efrijini uthatha ijuice yakho uyiphuze, and then you satisfy whatever, you quench your thirst. That is not the only thing eyenzekayo ibe iqalwe umqondo, ziningi izinto. I always make a reference yokuthola umntwana ukuthi it starts with in the mind, because abantu abayi-2 oyedwa wabo uyathi sengifisa ukuba nomntwana, and then abese communicate nomunye, mase bevumelene-ke bese beyenza the act, and then umntwana agcine semanifesta sesimbamba. There's a lot of other things-ke ezenziwa umqondo just to show ukuthi umqondo powerful kangakanani. And umqondo njengoba uhlukene kabili, kukhona i-conscious mind ne-subconscious mind. I-subconscious iyona powerful ngoba inkulu kakhulu. I-conscious mind ithatha nje indawana encane, but izinto ey'ningi zistorishwa lapho ku-subconscious bese ziyavela sesizoyibamba thina ngezandla zethu. Ingakho kuye kuthiwe mind your thoughts ngaso sonke isikhathi, ngoba into oyicabangayo umuntu ugcine sethi ngike ngakucabanga kanti ngizokubona. Izinto ey'fana nalezo zikhombisa ukuthi i-subconscious mind i-powerful kangakanani, and then it becomes a matter of bese uyabuza ukuthi lo muntu ngimcabangile ngambona noma ngimcabanga ngoba ngizombona. But either way, it just shows ukuthi i-subconscious mind i-powerful kangakanani. So when it comes to lezi zinto zabantu abadala ne-calling, lezo zinto lezo ngithola ukuthi ziyahambisana ne-timeline. I-timeline yomuntu iya ngokuthi uphila yiphi impilo njengamanje, ukweyiphi indlela. All the circumstances onazo okuzona njengamanje, that is your timeline. But when something shifts and something changes, you go on a different timeline. If something enkulu yenzeka empilweni yakho, then you change and ungene kuleyo timeline leyo, usuwumuntu okanje nakanje nakanje, okay? But then nalapho futhi kuyashintsha for some reason, whether favorable or unfavorable, uphinde ushintshe ungene kwenye i-timeline. I-timeline iqala emqondweni, and when you get affected ngemimoya, yonke lento idlala emqondweni wakho. Bese uyaphuma uyahamba ngoba uyofuna umuntu ozokusiza akuchazela umuntu, bese yakutshela ukuthi no, hayi une-calling manje sekumele ukuthi uyokwenza 1 no 2 no 3. But umuthi uyahlehla, lento iqale kuwena emqondweni wakho. We need to empower our minds and strengthen our minds and understand ukuthi kunama-timelines. Into iphuphayo ulele ebusuku, it's another possibility ye-timeline onayo wena. Isuke leyo nto ikutshela ukuthi empilweni yakho kunama-possibilities akanjena. It's up to you ukuthi wena you can choose. Kodwa ngoba thina asifuni ukuzichoosela, sifuna ukutshelwa abantu, lapho usuyi-victim ngoba uhambe waya kumuntu kanti uye kumuntu orongo, wasethatha i-advantage yokuthi u-weak njengamanje, wasekutshela izinto ezizosiza yena ezingeke zize zisize wena. Kodwa ukube wena ubunakekele umqondo wakho from the beginning, wa-understanda ukuthi umqondo nawo goes through ama-phases. Umqondo uyakwazi ukuthi ukubonisa izinto kanti ufuna ukuthi wena wenze something about it. Awufuni ukuthi wena unikele ngawe kwabanye abantu, because wena you belong to yourself, you belong to your own God, awubelongi komunye umuntu. So lento leyo umqondo, if besifundisiwe ngayo saba strong, besingeke sithuke, uma kukhona izinto esiyiphupha ebusuku bese ngeke sithuke sisabe, besizo accepta and try and find answers and try and do something about it. Because uma ungenwa idlozi lifika kuwena likhuluma nawe ebusuku ngaleyo ndlela likhuluma ngawe, lusuke lingafikile lona physically awulibambi, lisuke lisemoyeni kodwa lidlala laphaya ku-subconscious mind yakho, lixoxela lezo zinto nezinto okumele ukuthi uzenze. How you entertain wena lelo dlozi elifika kuwena ngaleyo ndlela iyona eshoyo ukuthi uzophumelela noma ngeke yini uzophumelele kuleyo ndlela yakho. If you operate from ifear yokuthi ngiyesaba manje ngidinga ukusizwa, then uzoba weak now. Kodwa uma uthi no, this is the energy le efuna ukulungiswa ukuze ingangiphazamisi, the reason why ingiphazamisi ngoba ifuna ukulungiswa, mase ngiyilungisile ngizobuyela impilo yami ibe normal. But ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi umqondo wami ustrong and I do take care of my mind and I try ukuthi ne-subconscious mind yami ihlezi i-healthy, ngizo-communicate nalama energies, ngiwajabulise, and then sonke sizoba right, because mina nalama energies sobabili we need to elevate to a point yokuthi sixhumana noNkulunkulu, sixhumana nomdali at the end of the day. So indaba yomqondo uyuthola ukuthi kwamanye ama-cultures benza lento yokuthi ba-attende ama-therapy sessions, umuntu abe ne-shrink yakhe yokuthi I go and I sit on a couch and ngiyathulula. We say this lightly nje amongst friends ukuthi ngisacela ukuventa. That is important because uyathulula, kungaze kuhlangane kakhulu bese uba weak because usu-acta on impulse. It's all about taking care of your mind. Kubalulekile ukuthi ungahlali izinto zihlale kakhulu enhlizweni yakho ungazikhiphanga ngoba ugcina lapho sekuhlangahlangene. It's said ukuthi phela kunezimo eziye zenza ukuthi abantu bangakhululeki ukukhuluma ngama-feelings nama-emotions wabo, kanti mase kuhlangene kakhulu ku-affecta umqondo, because lezo zinto ey'dlala enhlizweni yakho ngaso sonke isikhathi zihamba ziyokucindezela emqondweni. Umqondo awazi umqondo oku-right noku-wrong, awazi umqondo awazi okwenzeka kuwena nokwenzeka ngaphandle. If wena uhamba, say for instance uyobukela ifilimu ene-violence and then uba nalawo ma-emotions okusaba nokuba novalo, umqondo awazi ukuthi leyo nto yenzeka efilimini noma yenzeka kuwena. Uyathatha istorishe leyo nto, ugcine lowo mqondo leyo nto usuyidlala kuwena, ugcine nawe usuwumuntu ongazwithi manje nawe udlala efilimini, kanti ile nto ithathe wayi-ingesta from le filimu okade uyibuka. Izinto esizi-expose kuzona singabantu si-expose nomqondo wethu, and umqondo uyayithatha into uyiprogramme ngokushesha. Into yomqondo asinakanga, ngaye ngayibhala i-article ngayo because I discovered ukuthi ngesikhathi ngifikelwa amandla abantu abadala, lento ibifika mangilele, which means ifuna ukuzongena emqondweni wami. Angithi ma ulala uzumeke ayehla ama-brainwaves, ungene ko-theta state, uwehle ushone phansi, I think ko-alpha, kodwa ma usala kwi-theta i-suggestive kakhulu leso state leso. Uyakwazi ukuthi even naku-hypnosis badlale ngomqondo wakho base befake i-idea. That's how umqondo manipulate-eka ngakhona. So into abantu abadala ifika kuwena ma ulele ngoba usuke umqondo wakho I don't want to say weak, kodwa kusuke izwi ukuthi iplantwe i-idea kuwena. And musu uvuka ekuseni nawe uyavuka ukuthi hayi ngilibonile ikhehla, belifika leli khehla lifuna 1 no 2 no 3, leli khehla linamandla, this and that. But 5 years down the line uthola ukuthi lo muntu usehlele eduze komgwaqo udayisa ama-fruits, and akasayikhuluma indaba yokuthi lafika ikhehla linamandla because nayo useyasaba manje, usenamahloni ukuthi leli khehla ngathi lini-double crossile manje. But then it was in the mind. It was in the mind. Sure, I don't know how I can emphasize this yokuthi imqondo yethu ngempela kumele ukuthi siyinakekele. sinakekele ukuze makukhona ama-visions afikayo sikwazi ukuba strong thina, because at the end of the day when you are a human being you have your own purpose okumele ukuthi uzoyifulfilla la emhlabeni. If ufika ama-problems okufika izinto-ke along your path ekumele ukuthi uyilungise, zilungise ngendlela yokuthi you don't neglect yourself. Make sure ukuthi umqondo wakho nje you are always on point. You understand these energies, you understand how they come through, you understand how they are, you understand ukuthi yini ezingayenza, yini engeke ikwazi ukuyenza. You understand all the other energies ukuthi kulungileke noma ngabe khona lama energies abantu abadala, but then akhona namanye ama-energies omhlaba, e-universe, ukhona noNkulunkulu at the top of everything else.